You are not satisfied with an item which you bought. Next problem, what to say when you want to return it? Hello, my name is Hide and welcome to another episode of Japanese Unlimited. If you are new to our channel and wish to watch our previous episodes, just click here. In the following situation, the customer bought a vacuum cleaner and was not satisfied with its function and power. He would like to ask for the different brand which the staff offered him. The customer was satisfied with the new item and ended up buying it. I hope that the following sentences will be helpful to you.
すみません。Excuse me. いらっしゃいませ。いかがなさいましたか？ How may I help you? This means, Hello, how may I help you? いかがなさいましたか？ It's the phrase when you ask what someone is looking for or someone's idea in polite way. この ABC 製の掃除機はここで買ったものですが This means I bought this vacuum cleaner made by ABC here. はい Yes? ゴミをあまり吸い込まずまた扱いにくいので返品できますでしょうか This means it doesn't remove dust and other particles. It doesn't function well. I would like to return it. 扱いにくい means not able to handle something well. Something にくい is used to express some difficulty to handle when you do something. Other examples are 食べにくい difficult to eat and 座りにくい difficult to sit. Something つらい is an alternative too. はい返品保証期間内であれば返品が可能です。保証書とレシートはお持ちでしょうか This means, yes, you may. Just provide us the warranty and the receipt. Do you have them now? はい、こちらです。Yes, here you are. ありがとうございます。あちらで返金させていただきます。This means, thank you. Refunds will be issued over there. ありがとうございます。Thank you. ちなみに、あちらに展示されている XYZ 製の掃除機はよりパワフルで使い勝手も良いですよ。This means, speaking of vacuum cleaners, the vacuum cleaner made by XYZ is displayed over there and it's more powerful yet easy to operate. The word 使い勝手が良い means easy to operate, as the same meaning as 使いやすい。
This is an example situation and sentences which you could hear and use when you wish to return an item which you're not satisfied with. Your satisfaction is important and it will give you a great feeling when you get the value for your money. I hope that this video helps when you find yourself in a similar situation. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to support our channel. Also, please hit the bell button if you wish to be notified every time we upload a brand new lesson video. Because in this channel, your Japanese will be unlimited. Goodbye and see you on our next video. またね